Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. How to boot Google Pixel 6 in recovery mode. First, turn off the phone. Next, press and hold both the power and volume down buttons. Next, on the screen, fast boot mode will appear. To select an option, use the power up and down buttons. And for confirmation, use the power button. You can select recovery mode, rescue mode, restart bootloader and barcode options. To exit, select start and press the power button. How to reset Google Pixel 6 network settings. First, navigate to Settings app. Next, click Options from the menu. Next, navigate and click on the Reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Networks. And again, click Reset Settings to confirm the action. Please note all your saved network settings will wipe out. After a few seconds, a message will prompt that the network settings has been reset. How to restart Google Pixel 6? Press the power button for 2 seconds and click Restart on the screen. How to boot Google Pixel 6 in safe mode. First, press the power button and on the screen, press and hold power off option. A message will prompt to reboot in safe mode. Press OK. Now the phone will restart in safe mode. To exit the safe mode, press power button and touch restart. Thanks for watching and click the subscribe button for more tips and tricks.